Welcome back to Gear Up Windows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to change DNS server address on Windows 11. For this, I will use total 4 methods that are Settings app, Control panel, Command prompt and PowerShell. So let me begin without any delay. First one method is through Settings app. For that, right click on this one Start button and select here Settings in the pop-up menu. Then click on this one Network and Ethernet option and then select Wi-Fi or Ethernet and click on it. In case you have selected this one Wi-Fi, then you will need to select Wi-Fi properties option. In case you are using Ethernet, then you need to skip this option. Click on this one in case you have Wi-Fi. Then you need to scroll down and find DNS server assignment. Beside that, click on this one edit button. Then in the drop down menu, select manual. Then turn on IPv4 toggle switch. Then you need to here enter preferred DNS and alternate DNS. I will provide these one details. These are very helpful and secured DNS server that are open and there is no need to pay anyone for this one DNS server. This is very reliable. So you can copy this one from this one video description. After that, you need to enter here preferred DNS. You can set it, just type it or copy and paste here. Similarly, put here alternate DNS like 1.0.0.1 that is from Cloudflare and then click on this one save button. This will set your preferred DNS server on your Windows 11 PC. Next one method is through control panel. For that, click on this one start button and here type control. In the search results, click on this one control panel entry. This will open control panel on your PC. Here you need to set view by to category. In case it is something else, then just click on this one drop down menu and select category. Then click on this one network and internet option. Then click on this one network and settings center. Then click on this one change adapter settings button. Then select your Wi-Fi or Ethernet adapter and then click on this one right click and select here properties option. In the properties dialog box, here select internet protocol for TCP IPv4 and then click on this one properties button. Here you need to select this one, use the following DNS server address and you can type your DNS server, preferred DNS server and alternate DNS server and then click on this one OK button, close it and your Windows 11 PC will be configured to use a static DNS address that you have configured. Next one method is through command prompt. For that, click on this one start button, then type here cmd. In the search results, right click on this one command prompt entry and select run as administrator. This will open command prompt as an administrator. All you need to issue a few commands that you can find in this video description. First, you need to enter here ipconfig a space /all. This one is command. After typing, press enter on the keyboard and then you need to note down the Ethernet or Wi-Fi adapter name. In my PC it is Wi-Fi. I have already noted it down and then you need to issue the command. This one for primary DNS server. You need to issue the command netsh interface IP set DNS name is equal to, you need to change this one Wi-Fi name with your adapter name that you have noted down in earlier and then you need to change this one addresses from the primary address of your DNS and then press enter on the keyboard. This will set a static DNS, only primary a static DNS on your Windows 11 PC. To set alternate DNS address, you need to issue the command netss ipconfig ip add DNS name is equal to. Here you need to change the name of adapter and then change this one to alternate DNS address or secondary DNS address. Then type index is equal to 2 and then press enter on the keyboard. This will set secondary DNS server address on your Windows 11 PC using command prompt. Last one method is through PowerShell. For that, click on this one start button and here type PowerShell. Right click on the PowerShell entry and select here run as administrator. This will open PowerShell as an administrator on your Windows 11 PC. Here you need to uh, issue the command get net IP configuration. After that, press enter on the keyboard. In a few seconds, it will show some details. You need to note down interface alias name. You need to find out interface alias, that is your adapter name, and after that you need to note down this one interface index. In my PC its value is 12. I have noted it down, value number 12. After that issue the command this one set DNS. Like this you have to set and you need to replace this one value 12. In my PC it is 12. In your PC it may be something else. Just change it and then you need to set this one. You need to change this one IP address from your preferred DNS address and then press enter on the keyboard. In case you want to set alternate DNS server address also, you need to issue the command. Command will be same, just you need to replace this one interface index number and then this one primary server address, then put one comma, then a space and then alternate DNS server address and then press enter on the keyboard. Like this you can set a static DNS or change DNS server address on your Windows 11 PC. That's all about this video. If you are new to our channel Gear Up Windows, kindly subscribe it, and if you love this video, press thumbs up. Bye bye.